Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TRTC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like a few weeks worth of time right there, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I've been doing this analysis on a routine basis here, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. But definitely want to get things updated here, and I want to just really kind of apply the KISS method here. Keep it simple, stupid. So yes, these lines that I'm deleting out still do pertain. But like I said, I want to just make this as simple as possible, and I also want to kind of scrunch things up. So, the big question is, oh, Clay, is the chart reversing? Is the chart reversing? Or is it just the pullback? And that's a very logical question, right? Because some people intertwine pullback and reversal, say that there's the same thing, and they're definitely not. A pullback is healthy. A reversal is, well, that's just not what you want to see. So what do I think about this? Well, it is all about perspective. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there, and you're hoping to sell within, 2 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking pretty rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, then in my opinion, no, it's not a reversal. Still a pullback. Okay, well, Clay, fine. But when does, it's kind of gray area. When would you classify the pullback actually turning into a reversal? And that's where this pink line comes into play. This is the famous 200 period simple moving average. And even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, you know that this is definitely the big picture trend indicator. So in other words, as long as the price is up above that pink line, then technically speaking, the price is still putting in higher lows in the big picture, and that's what you care about. Again, if you are, depending on your strategy, you could maybe care less about, well, I don't want the price to go all the way down there. That's crazy. But again, grand scheme of things, as long as the price is, technically speaking, we'll just do this. Let's say the price does come down here, bounces around and heads back up. Even at that point in time, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down here. You'd have that set down there. And if you picture those as stair steps, the stair steps would still be going in the upwards direction. Don't get me wrong, this is a pretty deep pullback at this point in time, but as far as big picture perspective, you still got to give the advantage to the bulls. Now, if the price comes down here and breaks below the pink line and just starts to separate and separate and separate, well, then at that point in time, yeah, that's definitely a clear sign that the bears have taken back over. But as it stands right now, yeah, the bears are having some fun with it, pushing the price back down, but the bulls do still have a chance to put that overall higher low into place, and that's really what it's all about from the big picture perspective. As long as prices are putting in higher lows, then you can draw uptrends, and assuming you're bullish, then an uptrend is definitely the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.